Yeah, medyo unfortunate yung nangyari. I think the referees just lost control of the game at that time. They were allowing too much contact. But when it happened, I knew parang imposible manalo. No? 6 minutes pa yata left to go. And then there's really no way or matchup you can do against the ball. You just, when he takes a shot, nagdadasal ka lang na magminti sana eh. Kasi hindi mo naman masusupalpal, wala kang magagawa. So, incredible toughness that the team showed, and our prayers just worked. Kasi mahirap talaga eh. Nung first time I saw him on the court, I was thinking, how do you play against this guy? Parang dapat nasa Meralco siya, pwede siyang gawing poste ng Meralco. Ang ganda pa nung unang start na, he wasn't missing any shots. So, you see him that tall, not missing any shots, and you think there's nothing you can do. But we just practiced patience. We just played with a lot of toughness. Ayun lang naman magagawa mo. And I guess I have a really good bunch of guys who have high character, who can play with a lot of effort. We sustained our pace for 48 minutes. I think that's the only way you can beat TNT with ball is you have to play with pace for 48 minutes. That's what I told them. Sabi ko, kung may makakalimutan tayo sa game plan, ang isang bagay lang natin huwag kakalimutan, we have to play with pace for 48 minutes.